Welcome back. From financial inclusion to large-scale industrial growth, the past 12 years under Prime Minister Modi have redefined India's growth, impacting the villages, cities, infra, healthcare, tech and the national reforms. Take a look at this special report.
मैं नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगा।
12 years ago, when Narendra Modi took charge as Prime Minister, he carried a quiet but powerful promise of an India where every citizen would feel empowered, secure and respected. Over the years, that promise has taken shape through several landmark decisions, each touching the lives of ordinary Indians in ways that were long overdue. For decades, countless Muslim women lived under the shadow of instant divorce. In 2019, under Prime Minister Modi's leadership, the Muslim Women Protection Act criminalized triple talaq. Within a year, cases fell by 82%. For the first time, these women could finally live without the constant fear of being abandoned overnight.
साथियों, मोदी ने ही अपनी मुस्लिम बहनों को 3 तलाक की टेंशन से मुक्ति दिलाई।
Prime Minister Modi has consistently placed women at the heart of his vision for a new India. The Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam, which aims to give 33% reservation to women in parliament and assemblies, was passed under his leadership. At the same time, the Ujjwala Yojana placed LPG connections in the hands of over 10 crore poor women, bringing health, dignity and ease into kitchens that had long known only smoke and struggle.
Women's sages compose many verses in these Vedas. And today, in modern India, women are leading us to a better future.
For years, the shadow of terror and separatism hung heavily over Jammu and Kashmir. On 5th August 2019, Prime Minister Modi took the historic decision to abrogate Article 370. Today, local recruitment into terrorism has fallen to its lowest levels. Families that once lived in fear are now daring to dream of a peaceful and prosperous future for their children.
Please no more.
When terror struck again, India responded with clarity and strength. In May 2025, under Prime Minister Modi's leadership, Operation Sindoor struck 9 terror camps across the border. The operation not only destroyed terror infrastructure but also sent an unmistakable message of India's military resolve.
सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक और एयर स्ट्राइक के बाद अब ऑपरेशन सिंदूर आतंक के खिलाफ भारत की नीति है। ऑपरेशन सिंदूर ने आतंक के खिलाफ लड़ाई में एक नई लकीर खींच दी है, एक नया पैमाना, न्यू नॉर्मल तय कर दिया है। भारत पर आतंकी हमला हुआ तो मुंह तोड़ जवाब दिया जाएगा।
In the forests of Chhattisgarh and states, an entire generation had grown up knowing only the shadow of Naxal violence. Under Prime Minister Modi's government, over 110 districts have been freed from Naxal terror. Roads, schools and skill centers have replaced the gun, giving children in these regions something they had never known before, a chance at a different life. On the economic front, Prime Minister Modi delivered two fundamental reforms: the goods and services tax, bringing transparency to a complex system. The Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code gave creditors the power to recover their dues. Together, these reforms have made India's economy more predictable, transparent and friendly to enterprise. In 2016, India launched the Unified Payments Interface, a quiet revolution that will change how the country transacts. Today, from tea seller on the roadside to a tech entrepreneur in a high-rise, every Indian is part of this digital movement. In the last financial year alone, UPI recorded over 24,000 crore transactions, turning mobile phones into an instrument of financial freedom.
भारत के जिस रिफॉर्म ने दुनिया में हलचल मचा दी है, वो है यूपीआई, भारत का डिजिटल पेमेंट सिस्टम। ये सिर्फ एक ऐप नहीं है, ये पॉलिसी, प्रोसेस और डिलीवरी के एक शानदार कन्वर्जेंस का प्रमाण है।
Prime Minister Modi also looked beyond India's borders. Major free trade agreements were signed with the United Kingdom, the UAE, Australia and New Zealand. These deals have opened new markets for Indian products and created fresh opportunities for farmers, artisans and small businesses across the country. Under Prime Minister Modi's vision, India's space program touched new heights. With Chandrayaan-3, India became the first country to land near the lunar South Pole. What began as a distant dream has today become a source of national pride, with Gaganyaan preparing to carry Indian astronauts into space. Several states have now implemented the Uniform Civil Code, taking a decisive step towards gender justice. For the first time, women across communities are being assured equal rights in matters of marriage, divorce and inheritance, a long-awaited move towards true equality.
हमें याद रखना है कि भारत के संविधान में भी नागरिकों के समान अधिकार की बात कही गई है।
These were not just 12 decisions. They were 12 defining moments in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 12-year journey of governance. Moments that gave dignity to the marginalized, security to the nation, and hope to millions of Indians. 12 years, 12 game changers, one enduring vision of a strong, inclusive, and developed Bharat.